Hello, I'm Paul, owner and founder of Extrafan Solar Clean. Today I'm here to talk to you about roof cleaning and roof treatment.
Your roof serves many functions, such as heating water. Another is to let light into the interior spaces. It's used to mount antennas and satellite dishes. It even collects power and harvests water. This utility area needs to be looked after for obvious reasons. And of course, being outside and exposed to the environment, damage can occur. In this case, this roof is chock-a-block full of lichen and other contaminants, which will damage the roof over time. Not to mention, it's very slippery and hard to find damaged tiles when it's this bad. Your solar panels are exposed to this menace as well.
If you want an instant result, you can clean most roofs with high pressure using a gun just like this. The alternative is application of biocides. Biocides disrupt the algae growth. You'll get a few years of service from the biocides, but like paint, you'll need to reapply every few years. They are less harmful to your plants and foliage around the building. The alternative is to use something that will kill the growth on your roof instantly, which is chlorine based. This can damage the plants around your property. That concludes our video on roof cleaning and treatment. There's probably more things we could have covered, but time is limited. We hope you enjoyed it, and we'd really appreciate it if you like it and share it. Please also feel free to subscribe. We'd love to pick up some subscribers to spread the word. Have a great day, and thanks again.